Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is basically explaining about my tattoos. Now, I had someone comment on one of my videos saying that they are a tattooed person themselves and they would love to know what my tattoos mean. For those of you who don't know, I actually have two tattoos. So I have one up here on my arm and then I have one on my other arm just here. These are meaningful tattoos. I will explain a little bit more about them in a second, but I will never get tattoos unless they are absolutely meaningful to me. Now, there is loads of designs out there that I do like the look of, and I keep thinking to myself, I do want to get another one, but I don't want to just get a random one. It's got to be really meaningful. Hence why I've only got two. I do want to get more in the future, but I don't know what ones yet. So this one up here, I will show you closely. This one is basically dedicated to my mum. If any of you are new to my channel, you guys wouldn't know, but I lost my mum 13 years ago. And I always say this, I said to myself when I was younger, when I'm older, I do not want any tattoos. I don't like needles. I just hate them. And here I am, 33, and I've got two tattoos. So this was my very first one that I had done. So obviously, like I said, it's dedicated to my mum. So I've got my mum there, the day she was born there, and the day she died there. And I originally just had it in the love heart and the wings. And I thought to myself, I needed something to go through the heart to put mum in. So then I had this ribbon part. The ribbon that I done was obviously, because I can't draw for absolutely anything. The only good thing I can draw is stickmen. That's absolutely anything. So the tattoo person, designed the ribbon a bit more better than I did. And obviously the wings go right to the other side of me as well. So I have that one. It does need retouching because some parts are fading. But this is the very first tattoo that I've ever had done. And I absolutely love it. It's obviously meaningful to me. It's about my mum and I absolutely love it. And it just needs retouching though. That's the only problem. I keep forgetting to book it in with things going on, like with the holiday and now with the wedding and work and everything else. I just keep forgetting to rebook just to have it little bits of retouch done. And my second tattoo that I have, which is on my arm here. Now, it's going to be hard to show you guys what it is, but I hope you guys can see. What I will do is I will try and get a picture and then pop it on the screen so you can see it a little bit more better, because I can't show you that well and you can't see what the writing says. So I don't know if I can. Oh, there we go. I'm just about to stand up. But if anyone knows what this is from, please leave it in the comment section below what you think this is actually from. But I have this writing and I wanted Nathan's name on me anyway. So I decided wanted to combine Nathan's name with like something Disney as well. So I've got a couple of writing at the top. I will try and read it upside down. And then obviously I've got the rose bell there, which is quite big than expected. I didn't realise it was going to be that big, but I absolutely love it. And then I've got Nathan's name down there. So the wording says, "A tale as old as time until the last petal falls." Now again, if anyone recognises basically this part of the tattoo, not the actual Nathan part, but that part of the tattoo, then please leave it in the comment section below. It is my favourite Disney film of all time. I absolutely love it. Well, in theory, I have two favourite Disney films, but this one beats them all. So I will give you another close-up look. I will do a picture and put it on the side so you guys can see it a little bit more better and a little bit more clearer. But yeah, that was done, like, I would say 2, maybe 3 years ago now, I think. It's been a long time since I had that done. I do want to get another one done, but I don't know what design. I don't know where to put it. You know, but at the moment I've just got two. Nathan's got loads of tattoos. He does want me to get more, but it's just trying to find the right ones. I don't want to just get random ones all over me and then regret them, because I know it's quite a bit of money and I don't want to regret having a tattoo in later life thinking, oh, I wish I never had that done. I wish I've never got that one now. You know, I don't want to regret anything, but I do want to get more. Don't get me wrong, I do want to get more. I hate needles. I really do, but if it's meaningful, I will go through the pain. So guys, that is going to end today's video here. So it has been a quite short one, but I've only got 2 tattoos to show you guys. Like I said, there was a woman that just wanted to see what my tattoos was and what the meaningful was behind them. And obviously I couldn't do the video straight away because obviously Tenerife, we was literally going just 2 days before she said it. And I thought I can't film it now because I've got so much going on at the moment, so I thought I'd do it straight after the holiday. I filmed quite a few videos after the holiday, and then I thought I'll do this one before I put the autumn ones up, because after the autumn it'll be Christmas and then it'll be New Year and then all the New Year stuff. So I thought I'd just pop this in quickly right now before the autumn stuff. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.